All right, let's look at the homework 4.2, problem number 3. All right, so you have a cubic function given over the closed interval from -2 to +2. All right, is f continuous on the closed interval? Yes, because let's see, it's continuous and differentiable since it's a polynomial, so this is going to be the reason. All right, if the differentiable on the open interval, find f prime. So f prime is just going to be derivative of that. So derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. And derivative of negative 3x would be negative 3. And derivative of 7 is 0. So that was that. All right, and then we want to find f of -2. So just plug in -2. So let's plug in -2. So -2 cubed is going to be -8. And then you have a -2 times -3. So it's going to be +6. And then +7. Right? So this is going to be, -2 there. And -2 plus 7 is +5. Right? How about f of 2? F of 2 would be 8 minus 3 times 2 is 6, and then +7. +7. So what's this? So this is going to be +2 plus 7. So this is going to be 9. Right? And then if you want to find the f of a, f of b minus f of a over b minus a. So it's going to be f of 2 is 9. Minus f of -2 is 5 all over 2 minus -2. So it's going to be all over 2 minus -2. Right, so 9 minus 5 is 4. And 2 minus -2 is adding 4. 4 divided by 4 is actually 1. So we have 1. Right? And then determine whether the mean value theorem can be applied to f on the closed interval from -2 to +2. Of course, yes, yes, the mean value theorem applies because it's continuous and indifferentiable. It's actually everywhere, so it should apply. Right, if mean value theorem can be applied, find all value of c that satisfy the conclusion of the mean value theorem. Right, so let's do this. All right, so the difference quotient was 1, so we want, let's see, take the derivative. All right, so f prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 3. And then we can actually, we can plug in c here. F prime of c is 3c squared minus 3. And we want this to be the same value as the difference quotient, which came out to be 1. Right? So this is going to be, right, add 3 to both sides. So you have 3c squared is equal to 4. Right? And then divide through by 3, so we have a c squared is equal to 4/3. Right? Then we can just take the square root of both sides. So c is going to be equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 3 is square root of 3. Right? So it's a plus or minus 2 over square root of 3. Right? So let's type it in. Right, so we found, let's see, so we want the comma, so it's going to be negative 2 over square root of 3, and comma, and 2 over square root of 3. Right, so we have that. Right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back. Looks like we have all parts correctly. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.